what he chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga mention ate it from the back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am here at the Gigabala Koram whatever. So I'm going in now. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Bye.
We run a coil. I'm gonna show you the machine where we run these coils, and then we form shapes like you see the shape that is over here. It was just a flat coil, and then we had to shape it into this shape that you see now. And then after shaping, it goes to further processing like punching holes and then cutting. But I'm gonna show you as we go why we're forming these shapes and then where are we using them. So they form part of the train basically. And this is the start of CBS coil. We get it from Columbus, Mexico, and then we form, like if you take inside, something that looks like a corrugation, what you normally put on the roof. That will form the roof of your train. And then some of them will form the side walls, but you'll see them clearly as we go forward. So profile and then now this side CBS subs. So I'm doing sub components for your main components, but I think you'll get everything once we do the hub. So profile is done, and then this side is subs 1, subs 2, and now I'm going to start main line. So let's start subs 1, and then start our main line after subs 1. So basically once this station is done, we want to get a component like this one. And then I'll show you on the next line where they join this part. Second station for subs 1. So this as well is still part of the under frame, but in the metal. So what you saw there is on the end. This one is on the metal. And then on the next side, I'm gonna show you where they join this and that part together to form one under frame. You're gonna have something like that. So you call it a side wall. So basically that's your side. Your side, yeah, coach. For your coach, basically. And then this side, where there's a robot. One of those mini sides that you saw. We put them together and then we join them using that robot. So this side is the left. So far you have the roof, the under frame, you have the sides, and the ends we saw them on that station. And then we do welding. So that is one complete post. It's the same side. It's a duplicate. So if I show you one on the side, like that's where you're gonna fit your luggage, brackets. So on the side wall, you're gonna put all the brackets. So this station is only responsible for bracketing, and then they complete welding on those brackets. So that's the main operation for this station. So the yellow bars that you see, it's just to hold the car during welding so that it doesn't deform. And as you weld, there's deformation. So as soon as they are done welding, they want to remove those yellow bars as well. And then the coach will go like that without those yellow bars inside. This time you just run the machine and then it brings the welding. Now then if you don't see the effect of it. This is used for now when I lay a window. When I lay a window and then let the floor boards. Like your under frame now. I saw the panel and all the boards. Yeah, I know. that made the moment ke price because the plant they build the capacity of price. On a day there's 2 coaches, which are 6 trains in a month. Ke contract the price. So the plant has a capacity for to do extra. And then here they fit doors, one of those openings. So currently there's an issue supply at the door. Are they fitting this coaches and then they fit on another station open. So what you see, so move it will come a join a form a relay one so that Koloi Konofet here that side. Yeah. So the song Magal like the Visan Koloi, Mo give the Visan Koloi the coach, ready to coach. We call it a car. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, coach. So they'll put all the cables, and then as soon as this is done, this ceiling as a whole, it will go inside the coach. Yeah, but the Talon as we go forward. In this car, in on this station. Like your mask, your I want to put in all the covers just to hide. So depending on which car.
We'll see that here. So the equipment, the inside, the panels and everything else. So we weigh and level our cars. Just like when you take your car for wheel alignment, that's when you make sure that it's ready to go to testing. We also have a national bridge where we make sure that it goes through the bridge without having problems when it's in service.
Under there, it will not be tested there. You understand? It must go under, then it gets tested. You know, that is why you've never heard any of our trains saying that they cannot fit under a bridge and all the stuff. So those are 2 different companies. It has nothing to do with us. It has never been part of us. It will never be part of us. That is very clear. Right. Yeah. Previous financial year. So now the last train that we needed to do this year, come March 2025, it is train set 275. You will see it inside there, meaning that we are a little bit ahead of our production in terms of the current financial year. So already sector producers are next year. You see. So when it comes to issues of capacity, you can never fault us. In fact, at some point, we were ranking passenger trains by producing 7 in 1 month. No one has ever done that. Even the Chinese, they don't come closer to it.
Capacity.
So guys, yeah, that's the end of the tour. I hope you liked it. I know that recently my vlogs are full of pictures rather than actual footage, but yeah, well, you guys trying something new, and yeah, hopefully I'll go back to Bible studies. It's been a while, but anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and like my video. Bye.